Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today's video I'm going to be continuing on this mini series of deep cleaning each room in my house. And I'm sorry if I'm sounding a little bit echoey, but as you can probably tell I'm in my bathroom today and I'm going to be deep cleaning this room. I've actually filmed an extreme deep clean of this room before, so if you haven't seen that I will link it down below if you guys want to go and check that out. And the previous one I've done to this was my little boy George's room. I'll also link that video down below if you want to go and check out how well I deep cleaned his room and how much I actually managed to get rid of. And so guys, if you enjoy these kind of videos, please give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as a viewer. And without further ado, let's get into deep cleaning this room. Okay, so this is our family bathroom then. So as you walk in to the right here, we have got the bath and shower, which is like an all-in-one thing. Over here we keep all our toiletries and this lovely plant that I have in the corner. We've got our sink and then also obviously the toilet, and then obviously anything to do with George, like toys and the potty and things like that. And then we've got this nice area up here that we can keep some things. But it is looking just a bit gross and messy. I keep up with this every day, like having like a basic clean, but I really need to do like an in-depth clean. So that is what we're going to be doing today. I'm just going to start, I'm probably going to start with the door actually and just work my way around the whole room until we are finished.
words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. I used to let it in, all the things you said. You try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet.
So guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this lovely deep clean of my bathroom. I cannot wait to have dinner and actually have a bath in here this evening and just feel all clean and relaxed and just knowing that everything's tidy. So this evening consists of a quick speed clean of the rest of my house, and we're going to be having a roast dinner this evening followed by a relaxing bath. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye!